we're in pursuit. I'm gonna go and flag this guy down. Tell him to come to our place. He's not slowing down! Slow down! Slow down, no! You're gonna go past our house! And he went past our house. Alright. I think it's day 14. I've lost count. You guys are telling me it's day 13, but who knows. We got some planks there that were drying last night.
I'm puffed from last night now.
Are you? We just realised that the container wasn't locked last night because we left so late. We literally left it and it was dark. So that container was left open. Got more wood planks there. Oh gosh, what happened here? This looks like a bit of a massacre. But we're getting everything in. Everything is slowly happening. Dad's got to drill in these windows and doors. I think that's what he's getting ready to do now, is it, Zach?
Sorry?
Are you getting ready to drill in the doors and windows now? Cool.
Yep.
Where's the door though?
In?
No, but like, where's the actual door thing over?
That,
you can't just have that.
that's the door.
That's it. That's for the display.
No, that's our door. Until we, unless we come and live here. Let's check out the container, see how watertight it was.
No.
It's not?
No.
No, why is there water here? There shouldn't be water here. Oh, goodness me.
Staying, but look, it's coming inside.
Well, once you drill it in, we can open it up and find out what's going on there.
That's why I want to drill it in.
And this one's still watertight. Oh, who left the window open?
Just open it now, but it's the humidity.
Oh, thank goodness. I was panicking for a second then. Whew. It was very humid in here, very wet. Need like an extraction fan. I won't pull the plastic off the door even though I really want to. Down in the container, he's ready to open the window up. Let's see if the whole thing falls out. That would not be funny, but... No, it doesn't open nearly as much as what I thought it would.
The water actually comes inside, eh? It's not designed very well.
You might have to create a lip on it. Well, it actually won't matter once the roof gets on.
That's a terrible design.
Good, it does open up properly.
I can't. That's rubbish, hey?
Then why did you buy it?
Because it's meant to be watertight, but they haven't designed it very well. There should be...
Well, that means the door will be the same then, hey?
I don't know.
Why is there tape on the door?
Strange. Because Mum's dying to pull it off.
I also can't wait to put my bow on there. That'll be exciting.
I'll screw it in and I'll open it.
Okay. My Christmas bow.
Okay, so we've gone to the hardware store to get some screws for Dad, and we didn't realise they look like this until we opened them and realised they were very deformed. That's going to make his job hard.
Don't you have to pre-drill them? Didn't we work that out?
I don't know where your drill bit is.
In the car.
It's too far away. Maybe we should go get that drill bit, eh?
Alright, girls, can you go to the car and get the drill bit for Dad, please?
I thought I took it out.
Somewhere in the car. Don't. That's my job.
job she's been dying to do all day. Big piece.
It is a big piece. Satisfying. Ah!
No.
Alright, hang on, I need to close the door for that, to get that corner first. You can come over here if you need to.
Even the caterpillar's building his home.
Are these posts going to stay that high, or are you going to cut them shorter?
No, I'm going to cut them shorter.
How high do you reckon?
I haven't figured that out, that's why I put them on long.
Are you gonna?
No, I noticed that one's not fully painted, and I was like, I can't get up there, and I thought maybe you were...
No, I'm going to, once I put the timbers in those brackets, the timber you just painted tomorrow, then I'm going to put a beam across and see what it looks like and where I want it and how low you want it.
How you want
when
to
you're
fall.
standing here, you don't want it too low,
Yeah,
but that is pretty high.
yeah.
So we'll figure that out tomorrow.
And what do we got?
Get more bolts. We've got to get more bolts, more cement, stirrups, timber that we've run out of.
Oh, sounds like an expensive hardware day.
What else do I need?
Are we gonna, when we measure them to see how far we need to cut them, are you gonna go from the roof and someone's gonna be on the floor and then you're gonna pass it out
I think so.
and someone's gonna be standing on the ladder?
Unless you just go home for lunch and someone sleeps in the hammock all day, then I'll do it myself.
Let's see.
I think Mum will have to help me.
Yeah, Mum will get up and I'll clamp the timber in place, and then Dad can get down and look at it.
Let's see can drive.
We'll figure it out. We make it up as we go. That's what we're doing here.
Let's see can drive.
Make it up, depending on what materials we have and what I feel like doing at the time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.